of like a Panda Express, except it's called Hanshik Express, Korean fast food, and I guess. Can I please get combo B? Kimchi fried rice, oven baked brisket. Yes. Let's see. Do you have any more of rice cakes?
Unfortunately, around 7 o'clock is how many.
No. Okay.
And the spicy braised short ribs are really good.
Okay, I'll try some of that. What else do you recommend? I've never been here.
Pork loin bulgogi is very popular. Kimchi pork belly is really good too. Boneless fried chicken that just came out is also good.
Try the boneless fried chicken.
Sure.
Also, the pork belly kimchi.
Pork belly kimchi.
Yes.
That actually leaves you with one more.
Oh, so I have one more left?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, which other one were you suggesting?
The pork loin bulgogi.
Okay, I'll get.
It seems like that's pretty much all we have left.
Okay, I'll try that one.
Besides, what can I get you? You get 2 of those.
Can I try one of the soy eggs?
Soy eggs?
Yeah, soy eggs, and I guess, is this one pretty good, the tofu with garlic sauce?
I like it a lot.
Okay, I'll get that one. We are here in K-Town. I'm gonna get my hair done, finally. It's been a year. A year exactly, believe today, or was it yesterday? I'm gonna eat before heading to the hair appointment because it is a little bit later on during the evening. My friend Sophia, my top things on Instagram, also here on YouTube, sent her a long voice message asking for food recommendations here in K-Town because I was planning to go to a different spot, which is more like an underground Korean food court. That place closes at 7. It is now 7:27. So that definitely wasn't happening because I left late. She said it's kind of like a Panda Express, except it's called Hanshik Express, Korean fast food, and I guess also the chef is pretty well known. So hungry, all I could think about on the drive down here was food. That's all that was on my mind. It was such bad traffic. It should only take about 45 to an hour max, but today's drive, an hour and 50 minutes. So in case you're new here, I'm Christine and this channel is dedicated to all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle vlogs. We'd greatly appreciate it if you would please subscribe. Let me stop talking, share the food with you. Devour this food because I'm so hungry. I'm not gonna eat everything, of course. I'm gonna take half of it home, but I just want to enjoy the food. As you can tell, pretty much finished everything in the lunchbox combo. Presentation was on point. This whole thing was only $15, which is very surprising. Everything was delicious. Didn't get to eat, of course, the ribs because I was very full, but trust me, if I had some room left over, I would have finished everything in here. Highly, highly, highly recommend checking out Hanshik Express if you are in the LA area in Koreatown. Very affordable, delicious, tasty food, a lot of food choices. Thank you so much again to Sophia for the recommendation. We'll be making sure to come back next time we head out to K-Town. Good morning or good afternoon. We are here in Starbucks. The music in here is so incredibly loud, which I have no problem with. Afraid I'm going to get copyrighted, so we have to edit this portion. Let me know if this is true in your area. This is the very first Starbucks I've ever seen. No outlets whatsoever. Not even one. I guess they took it out. Is that like a new thing? This Porto's is huge. It's probably one of the largest Porto's ever seen.
Balls? Yeah, yes, please. And then 2 dozen cheese rolls. And then can I get 2 chocolate chip cookies?
Ham and cheese croissant. I thought it came with plantain chips, but I guess not. Also ordered the wrong drink. Wanted a strawberry matcha, but I guess it's a latte. It's like strawberry mint tea or something. I don't know. That's okay. We are in Forever 21 at the Northridge Fashion Center. Porto's was good, by the way. Darren said he didn't really like the ham and cheese croissant. Remember to be a little bit better, but we did get it to go. Also, I thought that they give plantain banana chips. At least they used to, maybe because we didn't order the meal. The drink ended up getting, I guess it was like strawberry lemonade with mint. I'm not the biggest fan of mint, so I wasn't really vibing with the drink, but still, you know, I'm gonna drink it. We're in Forever 21 right now, looking around, not planning on purchasing anything. You know, we gotta kind of chill with purchasing items. Even though Forever 21 is, you know, it's pretty much reasonably priced. We just gotta kick back off of buying stuff. Share really quickly outfit of the day, like really fast because I know I'm gonna forget later. It's today's outfit, just backpack, jeans, H&M, no, Zara, crop top, and the boots. The nude boots, they are from F21. They're from here. They're thick, they're platforms, but they're very lightweight. It doesn't feel like you have, you know, weights at the bottom. They're really, really good nude pair of boots. And you know, the nude color kind of helps elongate the legs, you know, especially, you know, if you're short, if you're petite. I told you I wasn't gonna purchase anything from the mall. It was actually Darren who ended up buying something from the K-pop store and from Forever 21. Just really window shopping. You know, chill with purchasing items because did purchase something from Sephora. So I wanted to share that with you as well as some PR, which always super thankful to even be considered to be on some of these brands' PR list. And of course, without your support, without you watching the vlogs, the videos, would not be able to have this opportunity to even receive PR from companies. So thank you for supporting. Change the setting on the camera. Ooh, their packaging is always so pretty, right? Light green and then pink on the outer box. Pixie Skin Treats Restore and Replenish, inspired by blooming roses in springtime. These hydrogel patches are infused with rose flower, elderflower, and chamomile. Work to rejuvenate, replenish, and soothe the delicate under eye area. Using one of their other under eye patches a while back, but this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I mean, every time they send over PR, they put a lot of time and effort into the packaging. They're the green under eye patches. Thank you so much to Pixie Beauty for sending this over. Skin FX, which did already open, but just haven't really shared. New Barrier Triple Lipid Plus Collagen Activating Serum. Repair and visibly plump the skin barrier with this new serum. I've been really into products that just have collagen, retinol. Skin texture has been doing a lot better. That's something that I really struggled with for, you know, the past year, and right now I think we pretty much have the skincare routine down, have been pretty on point with making sure to apply nighttime skincare as well as daytime skincare. Skin FX, I think we got a little sidetracked there. Serums are wonderful, by the way, for the skin. Thank you so much to Skin FX for sending over the serum to try out. Huge, huge fan of IT Cosmetics. So this is their Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Serum. Glow in one night, boost radiance, up to 24 hours hydration, strengthen skin barrier. Just recently ran out of a hydrating serum, so I'm really excited to try this out. It was one of my favorites, probably have it in an empties video, but hydrating serums at night are, they are so good for your skin. The next morning, your skin just feels soft, it feels hydrated, supple. It is like one of the best. So this is supposed to also plump the skin, which, you know, I'm all about that. Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Skin Transforming Pillow Cream. Also just ran out of a night cream as well because I accidentally dropped it on the carpet and it just went all over the place. It's also been like one of my favorites. I already have one of this, but you know, maybe we'll save it for an upcoming giveaway. Confidence in a Cream, and this is their supercharged version. So thank you so much to IT Cosmetics for sending over some new skincare goodies to try out. Trying out different skincare items, not necessarily different creams and serums, more like under eye patches, sheet masks. From I Do Care, we'll be mentioning them in February Obsessions and Fails. And it's called the Let's Get Sheet Faced 14-Day Sheet Mask Set. See, I was just talking about sheet masks, and and then they sent over this one. An array of different sheet masks. It's a Nourishing Olive Mask, Mugwort Leaf Mask, Firming Acai Berry Mask, Time Warp, In the Zone Pore Tightening Tea Tree Mask. Thank you so much to I Do Care for sending these over. From Sephora. This was such a hyped product on Instagram, I believe also on TikTok, and it is from Patrick Star. It's his brand, One Size, and this is called the Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio in Attention Seeker. Wow, look how pretty this is. This is, ooh, the nails almost dug into it. Love how it has this guard, doesn't damage the blushes, but you have 3 beautiful pink blushes, which I think are going to be perfect for spring. Oh, this one's a cream. It's a cream. We have a shimmer, and then we have this really pretty kind of fuchsia color. Probably film a reel or something, you know, doing some swatches, but this looks beautiful. It's supposed to complement especially medium to tan skin tones. No, right now we're medium neutral, but once spring, summer hits, we're gonna jump up all the way to neutral tan. This is the one I ended up purchasing. We'll definitely also give you some feedback, favorites video. Gonna clean up this mess and start editing the vlog so we can have it go live tomorrow. Let me know what you think about 3 videos a week upload. So most likely it will be 2 beauty related videos, maybe a beauty product review. I mean, it'll be beauty lifestyle content, and then there will be also 1 vlog. Really wanted to get back into the swing of things and start uploading regularly, because no can do better than just like once a week upload. Since we used to do that before, and when I transitioned into doing YouTube full time, I was just on that grind, on that hustle. And then, you know, of course you get kind of comfortable, you start overthinking things, and now my whole mindset is just, let's upload again 3 times a week. Know your thoughts on that schedule. If you have any requests on videos, please leave them down below. Always appreciate your feedback and really appreciate you commenting. As always, thank you so much for hanging out for this vlog. Appreciate you being here. Have an amazing, wonderful week ahead. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next vlog.